My son is bringing the last concrete block to go on top of that. Yeah. There you go. You have the pot here. We'll need this down. Bring this here. The way you try to redesign the garden, right? And this my chair had broken years ago. I just used the base for plants. Okay, now I can move this. If I ever need it again, I can always use it, right? In the garden. So, maybe this can go. Nothing wrong with having too much. As long as you know how to use them and not use them. So, I want to pull it here, but I changed my mind. Yeah, this is my fertilizer. Yeah. Put it in there. And take our evergreen. Yeah, put it in there. Oh yeah. It went in. Not bad. Okay. Very good. This one needs to come out. It's some nana. Something nana. Evergreen. Okay. Nice. Okay. Something needs to go in there. Little lime hydrangea piece. Now let's see what else we have. Let's take the evergreen out from here because you can see my lily coming in. Last year I planted black eye Susan. It be around here someplace. They'll keep the tack in case it shows up. Good. Good. Oh, okay. I got you. Okay. Now, yeah. Oh, it now hold. There we go. Take this up. Miss Camper grass. Tulips. You know that back there. Don't worry, we'll clean everything. Put it here. Here for now. So, it's going to be some interesting space for summer. So we're doing all the hot work now, guys. Chair. The table will move from here. We'll be on the deck. because that be our eating table on the deck. So guys, now late now, you can see the area height change, and the large plenty more thing in here. I'll wait to come back and finish the area. Not too much to do now. Also, I did not forget the courtyard garden. We'll come back again, guys. See you soon. Bye, guys. Bye.